Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Living in Cincinnati. I'm Bobby Kelly, realtor here in Cincinnati, Ohio. And today I want to talk to you about the top 5 employers that are headquartered here in Cincinnati, Ohio. Many people make the move here to Cincinnati for work, and many of these employers are the reason why, so let's get into it. The first and largest employer here in Cincinnati, Ohio is Kroger Company. Kroger has been here in Cincinnati since 1883. It's a grocery store chain that is one of the largest in the country. They're located in downtown Cincinnati and have an annual revenue of about $138 billion and have 465,000 employees nationwide. The next company that I'm going to talk about is GE Aerospace. GE Aerospace is a subsidiary of General Electric, and they're located in Evendale, Ohio, just outside of downtown Cincinnati. GE Aerospace was founded in 1917, and they have currently 48,000 employees and have an annual revenue of about $30.5 billion. Next company is one that many people have heard of, Procter & Gamble. Procter & Gamble is a consumer goods supplier that manufactures products that you use every single day, such as Bounty, Tide, and many others. They're headquartered in downtown Cincinnati and have been a staple in the city since 1837, making it one of the oldest companies here. They currently have about 106,000 employees nationwide and have an annual operating revenue of about $80.2 billion. The next company that I'm going to talk about is Fifth Third Bank. They're headquartered also in downtown Cincinnati and have been here since 1858. They currently have about 19,000 employees and have an annual operating revenue of $7.9 billion. The bank offers many different products, including consumer banking, commercial banking, private lending, mortgages, and many other things. The fifth company that I'm going to talk about is Cintas. Cintas is headquartered in Mason, Ohio, a neighborhood about 30 minutes outside of downtown Cincinnati. They are known as the uniform people as they help with the distribution, manufacturing, and rental of different employee uniforms, mats, fire and safety products, and first aid. They were founded in 1924 and they currently have about 40,000 employees and have an annual operating revenue of $7 billion. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If there are any other major companies here in Cincinnati that you'd like me to talk about next, make sure to drop it in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.